Hi, David.
Hi!
What do you have for us this week?
This week we take a look on a order which we prepared for a Prague Comic Con.
Okay, that was a big one.
Yep. We have some client orders as always,
yeah.
and Zdeněk threw himself into making a Spider-Man vest.
Oh yeah, I saw that one. It was a special one, so I'm looking forward to
Yep.
see.
We print over the 150 mounts for those rings, which allows you to pay at the source. As you can see, it has 4 colors. So we use the multi-tool on the Prusa XL, and inside of the mount is attachment for the ring. You can easily attach them out. There is an imprint magnet, so it allows you just to close it and you don't see anything. We also prepared those 2 pieces for a Comic-Con booth. This one is a holder for the ring. It's printed from the PLA on a Prusa Core One. And we also prepared the helmet for staff. This one is printed on the Core One from PLA also, because it will be just inside, so it's not necessary to print from the PETG or another materials.
Good morning. Today we are printing some center caps for client. He ordered his new wheels for car and he got a different diameter for center caps. So we printed it on HT90 from PA11.
This Friday we'll start the Prague Maker Fair as every year. So if you want to see us there and chat with us or take a look on the new printers and everything what Prusa offer, so let's visit us at the Prusa booth at the Prague Maker Fair this Friday.
Our ball was just run by a tram.
No, he's flying, but he's fine.
David, our followers asked us what 3D scanner do we use? You have some new one?
Yeah, we use the scanners from Einscan, it's a Shining 3D. Till today we use their low budget model Einstar Vega, and I'll be on the Rapid TCT where we get this new beast. It's called Einscan Rigil. There is not just the ear scanner, but also the lasers. So you scan mostly better than on the Vega, and the scans are pretty good, as you can see. We need to scan the head for Danish theater for fitting the helmets. So we need to scan like 3 or 5 different people with different head shapes to be sure the helmets will fit on all of them.
Spider-Man. Almost done.
Be or not to be. Let's do it together.
Hi.
We
We have here another best of Spider-Man. It's Mike Morales, and here we putting just black. It have to be blue and red. So that's all.
As you can see, we have multiple nozzles. Zdenda, how do you decide which nozzle to use?
It depends on how much paint you want to put on the model. So you can choose high flow nozzles, standard nozzles, or some special calligraphic which will spray the paint in the lines or some different shapes.
Yeah.
Okay, Mike Morales finally finished.
Nice one.
Put together.
It looks,
Comes pretty nice, I
yeah.
think.
I like this statue because it's different from the other Spider-Mans,
Yeah.
because they all have just the suit and this one is in the hoodie.
That's why I needed to paint him and
Yeah,
complete it.
and it's very colorful, so it must have been fun doing it.
Yeah, I was inspired by the game which I played. So it's young man
Yeah.
with some
Street art.
Team, street art. Yeah. So I inspired the whole thing in the base, which is the wall with the
Yeah.
street art.
It looks great. Good job.
Thank you.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us as always like, comment and subscribe, and see you next week in our next chapter.